Now, I often feature Ferrari 612 Scagliettis in my films because I just think they're an absolute bargain. And this particular one is probably in the perfect spec. It's this sort of Tour de France blue with tan leather interior, and it's just beautiful. But the biggest thing about it that sets it apart is it's one of the quite rare manual gearbox versions. You see, you've got the open gate shifter there. So whereas a standard sort of automatic Scaglietti is around 50 to 60,000 pounds, and I think one of the bargains of the century, even if you can get it in this, particularly if you can get it into this kind of spec. But manual, this is guided at 100 to 120. So that's the premium. It's like double the price, pretty much, of an automatic equivalent. This is also quite a low mileage one, only 7,700 miles. So yeah, 100 to 120,000. But yeah, what a car! Beautiful, beautiful car.